All right, like most people probably know me like this. Yeah, but I spend too much time in front of the laptop. Yeah, like I'm Maximilian Parson, or Max. I'm CEO of Open Energy Transition, which is the largest non-profit focusing on open energy modeling. I'm not sure if the claim is right, but maybe soon it is. I'm just giving you a little bit of an intro on open modeling, our open modeling activities. So, like in non-profits, a little bit different compared to profit companies. Like we always focus on impact. So, our impact thesis is that open modeling is just accelerating the energy transition. So, this is why we are really motivated by it. That's probably also why you're motivated by it. And yeah. That's really what we're pushing, and we're pushing that with different activities. We focus on best practice studies. We focus on support global adoption of open modeling. That goes really from training to support to creating some technology that helps companies all around the world to adopt these tools. And we are also focusing on advancing open source software and the data. Like now I just have a couple of examples with me. Like for example, we were working on Kazakhstan on an energy planning study here with the nonprofit Agora Energiewende to advocate for policy change really in this country for more renewable energy in Kazakhstan. And actually it turned out it's quite effective, like they could save money by doing so. And yeah, like they did that because like we were like they had modeling limitations, like don't enough resources, not enough people to model stuff, and we basically helped them with an affordable, high quality approach to create studies. Really exciting is that we also started working with transmission system operators, so they also use open energy modeling, which is great. They actually like our work here, like they had experience with other consultant before, but basically we have a lot of expertise on open modeling, like a lot of maintainers and creators of these modeling tools, and like we looked just at their setup and identified a couple of improvements. People need experience to use open modeling in the best way, because you can also use it in a bad way if you're not careful. So yeah, it promised just a lot of improvements for them, and that's why we're working with them. And maybe you heard that, like we are actually OET, not OTE. Like I was actually surprised, wow, like are we also creating here an event? But yeah, like we hosted recently the Open Modeling conference in Stanford, where we basically made open modeling great again in US. Yeah. And it worked actually, it was quite fun. Yeah, and we are also training, like offering trainings if it's strategically aligned. And yeah, like there's a lot of modeling work that we're working on energy data tools, on energy system models, on solvers or solver interfaces like LinoPy. We're working really, like if you may visited some of the Pipes Meets Earth communities in Discord, like we have full-time staff working on that as well, just helping people really, and creating software applications as well. And yeah, like I said, we are one of the largest folks in this space. Like we have a team roughly of 20 people working on that. We're really doubling this year, maybe tripling. Let's see how it turns out. So if you're excited about open modeling and want to spread it, like we are one good spot to go for. Thank you.